So let's get into it. So earlier I made a video um, showing how to find your stocks and whatnot on finviz.com. We're gonna pick a stock out. We're gonna lower the time frames. We're gonna go back test and see where price is currently gonna go. We're gonna do some trades while we're at it. So the first thing I looking for like stocks, is what sector they're in. And in the sector, you want to find like over here in the middle, it says like healthcare, consumer, whatever that word is, industrials. It really doesn't matter, honestly. It kind of does. I use those as a confluence. But like, let's say healthcare has like a huge number, a huge volume. It only has 2 million. We're looking at the first one up top, which is A. Agilent Technologies. If it has like a ton of volume, we're gonna go for that. So this one says 24 million at the bottom. It's AMC. Okay, so AMC was definitely predicted. AMC used a lot of people bought that volume because they seen that the stock was gonna come up. So much people bought into it. And that's what that rally to go up so quick was the number of the volume. So a lot of call options hit. People were being millionaires at the time. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look into AMC. Okay. Actually, no, because I have it all charted up already. I want to delete it. We're going to look at something else. Let's look at the next page. Okay. 5 million volume for ASAN, a technology software application. Okay, so ASAN. Still trying to learn how to work my new phone. ASAN. I'm just gonna minimize it. I use an RSI number 10 close just for confluence. Then looking at the 4 hour, we're just gonna back up here to October, sometime of last year. It looks like actually that is when the stock opened was October. So we'll mid frame it. Look here at January 26th. So what I'll do is on top here, bar replay, go back. Alright, good. Hit settings. Go to reset price scale. Minimize price. Looking at the, what is this, the 4 hour? We're going to bump this to the daily time frame. Push in price just a little bit to the bottom of the screen. This is TradingView. This is an app that you can pay for. You don't have to, but if you want to backtest, before you go into actually investing, you'll want to pay for this premium. And this premium is about $14 a month, or you can buy the bundle annually, and it's like $120. And right now they have a Black Friday option. They have a Black Friday sale actually, so yeah, so you can check that out. Let's go back to the charts. So looking at this, see price coming down about halfway to about 26. Looking at the weekly time frame, I see a big old big old outcome candle. Price came up all week long, came up here to push up, made some liquidity, a reject up here, weekly time frame, some liquidity down here. She came down and pushed up. Back to the daily. Okay. Okay, so right now, honestly, I see, I'm just going to mark up a rectangle because this is right here is liquidity. and looks like on the daily time frame, ASAN came up and did not push up all the way. Then we're just gonna go up here. I don't know why I have to go to like cross every single time. So like my trading view is different on this one. I just got a new phone. It's just horrible. So looking up here, I'm gonna take this. Where is it at? The drawing symbol. Take this brush. Right here in this column, we have a lot of like sells, like a lot of rejections. So there was a main rejection right here, and then there was an area where she didn't quite make a buy to sell or sell to buy. But we see in this area right here, this candle kind of knocked out this liquidity in the past. So let me just delete some of this stuff here. Kind of just went all ape shit on this one. Okay, so gonna place a triangle or rectangle right here. Didn't really quite make a buy to sell, but we see this candle right here. Right here, this one knocked out the liquidity from this pass right here, making a rejection to the downside, taking out this sponsor candle. So if we look up right here, this was the rejection up here, giving us a signal to go down and then to come back and test up once again. And yeah, so go back to my crosshairs. I am gonna place a let's see, a Fibonacci retracement from here down to my lows. Should be right here. Move that over, cross, just like this. Expect price to come down to at least to the 50%, which takes this rectangle right here. This right here is all your liquidity right here. So right up here in this area, go back to my cross to move the screen over. Right here in this area, and it looks like she did come down, but price is going to come back, make some zigzags and then come back down. So right here, I'm going to place a short position, which I use in Forex, foreign currency trading. And if it hits that red line, that means you're out of the trade usually. Because when you trade Forex, you're not gambling really. You're essentially risking your lot sizes. Damn it, why is it not doing anything? You're risking your capital for a bigger sum of capital. If I can make sense there. So in this area, wanted to hit about $26.50 to $27, but want her to come down all the way down here. So $26 to $27, that's our goal. And if this was a call put, which means you're buying the stock to go down, you're gonna pay a premium of like, let's say this price is $30. This call put would be about $300 maybe. And it's just a one-time fee, and you're paying for it to go down within, like, let's say all this happened within, let me see, 2 months, okay? About 1.5 months. We're going to place this call put for 3 months, tell her to come down here, and she's going to be here around March or so. From January to March, so 3 months. Want her to come down. And we're going to see what happens. Okay, so I'm about to hit the play button. Let's see if this works out. Okay, so she hit, right? I said 3 months, January to March, right? So price is right here. January 8th through March 5th. So she hit your strike price. I said $26 to $27. And on, like, let's say if it was Robinhood or Webull or something, you're going to put your strike price right above 26. So if the number said $27, your premium would be like $300 to $500. And because of the fact that it was 3 months out, it costs a little bit more. So you're gonna pay like $500. Let's just say, for example. So you can see I just made this video. I got it to the T. I said your expiration was gonna be 3 months. So January, February, March, and then April. So it wouldn't even expire. But let's say you were in the money and expired then, and you didn't sell, then you would have to be forced to buy this share 100 times. So you would have to pay $3,000 out of your account because you did not sell on the expiration. If it was in the money. If it's not in the money, then you just lose your premium, which is the $300, like I said. So, looking at this, I feel like she's going to come down even more. So I'm going to take my Fibonacci replacement again. Replacement. What am I doing? What is this? This right here. Take this because we have equal highs. And going to place this right here. So she already hit the 50. But we can see the rejections over here. Right here. And that's telling us that we're going to come down. So I'm going to look at the smaller time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, and see if there's anything. I could see her still coming down just a tad. I want to see her come down all the way to like 16, but I doubt that would happen. That's just an area of TP. The big move already happened, but we can still see. So this area, 22, 27, and just hit play. Smash TP1, almost to TP2. Oh, I didn't say how many months that call put, but let's just say, you were pushing that price down. Let me go hit across, hit play again. Hit 26 again, bounced off, made an area of support, shot to the moon. But that's cool, because we had that area right here. We wanted to hit TP, and she hit to the T. So, like I said earlier, once again, 3 months from January. It'd be January, February, March, April. And right here it hit at the 31st of March. Where did I see the 31st of March? At the very bottom of my phone. The very screen. It says 31st March at 8:30 in the morning. It hit your strike price. So, how I get the exact moment of strike price, that's something I learned on my own. And if you watch this video and, just keep up with me and everything, I can show you all the tricks and everything. So, like I said, in my old, I have my old Facebook still, but I got banned off Facebook. I got Facebook jail. So, that's the reason why I added everybody. So, yeah. Hit me up. Peace out. Thanks for watching.